Hi, I'm Ted. I taught a intermediate contact staff class. It was based on the idea of controlling the momentum of the staff using things that are not in your hands. The very first thing that we went into was bringing the staff down into the little bit of your armpit and being able to just bounce it back and forth, feel the momentum, feel the inertia, and be able to influence it whatever way you wanted. So we took it from there. So we took it down and then back up, like so. Next thing that we did was, instead of having it here, we moved that point up here. So it would come down from the sleeve, and you would kind of move back and forth. Again, momentum and inertia, feel the difference. Then from there, for some of us, we went into duck outs and being able to trap it from there. Boom. There's the momentum and the inertia. Doing that on that side as well as on the other side, and its various applications in terms of controlling momentum. From there, we moved the trap point from up here to over here, like so. Just bouncing it back and forth. Once we got a good hang of that, we moved over into a halo from that point and then bouncing back and forth. Right? Then after that, we moved on to a different kind of momentum and inertia control. We went back into the Steve and we started talking about tracks and creating and destroying tracks. For instance, the normal Steve would come down, the interrupted Steve would be coming down and then interrupted with the other hand. We then created a closed loop where you had this guy happening, right? Then we opened the loop and started creating more tracks and went from the closed loop to opening it up down there. Then we covered this guy, just holding it here with the center point in the middle between your arm and your hand and pushing it up and pushing it down. And then we connected that into the previous track system, right? Then that was the end of the technical aspect. We went into a little bit of theory about how to control the momentum and what it means for all of contact staff, specifically being able to control the momentum via propellers and things like that. For if you're ever spinning too fast, you're able to stop it and slow it down, or if you're too slow, you can speed it up using traps and pinches. Then I talked a little bit about hill theory, where the incline of the hill that your arms make will influence the momentum of the roll. And yeah, that was about it.